Welcome, welcome, welcome! If you're new tuning in, warm welcome to you. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So, hi there. So, you guys, I have become obsessive with giving myself scalp massages. And I typically do this throughout the day. But I figured today I'll do a scalp massage using the Virgin Hair Fertilizer. You guys know that I am big on using products that are going to aid in the hair growth process for me. You guys that have been rocking with me for a while, you already know what some of my low points are when it comes to my hair. If you're new tuning in and checking this out for the very first time, I've gone through a plethora of hairstyles, especially natural hairstyles. I did have locks when I took those locks out. Unfortunately, because I was going through a stressful period in my life, which I'm still battling. But when it first kicked off, you guys, I was coming out my locks, and unfortunately I combed out some hair in the process, which caused some problem areas in the nape of my head, which you guys just saw there. So I am trying to love on those places, love throughout my hair. And so I decided to use Virgin Hair Fertilizer. So this is me applying the Virgin Hair Fertilizer to my fingertips. I usually rub it in, and then I go in with the pads of my fingertips and I begin to massage. FYI, this is a lazy girl scalp massage this time. And the reason that I labeled it that, because I did not want to take my twist tie out. So I am trying my best to work around that. You guys also know, or if you don't know, if you're new tuning in, I absolutely enjoy using Virgin Hair Fertilizer. I have a plethora of videos about Virgin Hair Fertilizer. Now, for me in the past, it was great for me. It yielded wondrous results for me, and then I took a break from it for a while, and I decided to kick back in and start back using it. So I do use it sporadically for these scalp massages here that I so enjoy doing. It definitely helps relax me while getting that blood flow through the scalp to help promote hair growth here. So I do massages quite frequently. That's why I am of course obsessed. Now I did sped up the video just a minute because I think I have a few videos out there of me giving myself a scalp massage. You guys, I must say that I like the results I'm seeing thus far in giving myself scalp massages. I highly recommend it. Now you don't have to do it 3-4 times a day like your girl do, but you definitely maybe want to consider giving yourself a good scalp massage at least weekly, just to help relax you. So I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.